Today we are going to do activity 2, which is STOMPI. You are going to do it straight into your Vuma books. Therefore, you need to write the date at the top of your Vuma book. Please make sure that you write the full Afrikaans date, so IE at the end, and not Y. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to fill in your question words. So those are the question words that we learned in the previous lesson, where you ask yourself who is doing something, why are they doing it, when are they doing it, where are they doing it. Okay, so that's to figure out if it's the subject, the manner, the time, the place. Okay, all those questions you'll find on this page. So these are all my questions that you ask. So if you're asking what, it's a subject. If you're asking when, time, who, object, how, manner, where, place, and then to or omte, that is your infinitive. So in the space that they give you over here, you are now going to fill in all those little details. Okay, so they don't give you enough space to do all 6. Okay, but you're going to have when, who or what, how, where, and to. So for the first one, it says who, so that's the subject. When is my time. Who or what is my object. How is my manner. Where is my place. And to, so I'm doing this to help you, is my infinitive. Okay, now that we have that sorted, we are ready to start our activity. Very, very lucky, they actually give us the different parts of the STOMPI in brackets, so it's going to be easier to identify. If you want to use a dictionary because you need to translate something, you are more than welcome to. These sentences are all in correct order already. Okay, so as long as you follow the STOMPI formation, that will be nice and easy. So the first one says, ek het 'n stokperdjie. So if I translate that into English, it means I have. So I have a hobby. So let's go back to our questions. Who has a hobby? I have a hobby. So there we go. Ek is my subject. You know that the golden rule is your verb always comes second. So het is your verb 1. So here you'll write het, verb 1. And then what do you have? You have a hobby. So a hobby will become your object. Okay, so that is what you're going to do for all of them. Okay, I'm going to show you the same for question 2 quickly. Party stokperdjies kan baie geld kos. Okay, so now we know our rules. Party stokperdjies, which is some hobbies. So this says some hobbies can cost a lot of money. So some hobbies. So what can cost a lot of money? Some hobbies. So that becomes my subject. Remember, you need to write it out like we did in the first one. So you will say party stokperdjies -s. Kan, golden rule, is verb 1. Now you need to ask yourself, the word kan means can. Now, are you able to can? Is can a doing word? Okay, if it's not a doing word, then it's a hulpwerkwoord. That means you will have a verb to in your sentence. Okay, so then you ask yourself the next question. What can it cost? It can cost lots of money. So that's my object. Okay, and kos means cost. So this is now my verb to. Okay, so you are more than welcome to write in your book, to use different colors. For example, if you want to write your little letters at the top first to make sure that it's in the right order. So this one for number 3, Tandi, het, teddybere, bymekaar gemaak. Okay, how do we know that this is verb 2? Because it's in the past tense. It has a het there. So that has to be my verb 2. So you're more than welcome to write your letters up there. You're also welcome to translate it. For example, number 4, if you say Claire jogs to keep fit? Okay, that'll help you a lot as well, because then you can go through your questions. Then you can ask yourself, who jogs to keep fit? Claire jogs to keep fit. So that is my subject. What does Claire do? She jogs. That's my verb 1. Okay, and then if we get to the last ones, you can say, when does she jog? Doesn't tell us. How does she jog? Doesn't tell us if she's running fast, running slowly. Where does she jog? Doesn't tell us that. Okay, does it say to? There we go. So why does she jog? To keep fit. So that is my infinitive. Okay, you need to finish question 5. Well, please copy down all these answers first, and then you need to finish it. It carries on to the next page, to question 11, I think. And then you need to submit it to your teacher, or you will mark it together. Thank you.